Wag mong tuwalin.
Then, wag mong paubos sa kanya yung ano, taho.
Ocean Club.
Ayan. Nandel!
Boracay. Kagabi. Dito ako lumakad pabalik. Yung umaga, dun sa kabila sa kalsada. Tapos pabalik dito ako dumaan. Punong-puno ito dito kagabi.
Marunong ka maligo, marunong ka magpaganda. Dapat yung paligid mo, maganda din.
Yun lang, tama ka dyan ate. Are you alright? So, tumingin dyan? Boracay Beach. Go.
Good morning, everyone. It's 11 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. At this is JP Menez. We're here right now in Boracay, Scotland, Philippines. We're doing nothing. It's our last day in Boracay. We're about to go home. Just look around. It's about to rain. I look at me and just stare at it. Stare.
Look at the hair.
Mom is just taking a swim with Daniel, and we just walked the mall. We haven't found the Starbucks. Starbucks is about to come back later.
Starbucks is dead.
If we find it, I hope. We will look for you. We will find you, and we will drink from your drinks. Thank you. Dad, do you have something to say?
Nothing.
You have nothing to say. Thank you very much for my report.
Bye-bye.
Bye next time again.
Zero, zero. Oh. We are now preparing to leave Emerald Bay. Emerald Bay. Okay. Marching back. Okay. Let's go. Nam Nam, let's go.